Hey guys, my skies. So the sky blanket's going down with the sun right now. They don't want they don't want us to see nothing up there, so they're already starting to spray. This right here is not for any benefit. Go to your doctor, see how low your vitamin D levels are. Then look up every day. This is happening daily. We live in a microwave box now with 5G, and we're getting sprayed with aluminum. We are under attack. This is very obvious if you look at Dane Wigington and what 5G really is. It is not for our benefit. I can't believe that after 9/11 anybody in this country would have trusted what they say. And I'm talking about the GOV. Come on now. They don't care.